day everyone, this is Promise Kanwai, your social media manager, your web designer and your graphics designer. Today I'll be showing us how to purchase a domain name from Evanshost.com. I'll also show us how to get an hosting plan from Evanshost.com. So in this video, you'll be learning how to purchase a domain name and an hosting plan from Evanshost.com. First, I want to welcome all my returning subscribers. I want to say thank you for supporting me in this journey. I really appreciate. And if this is your first time of joining the channel, I welcome you to this channel. We talk about web design, graphics design and social media tricks and hacks. So if you need anything web design, social media, graphics design, this is the right channel for you, and trust me, you will learn a lot. So without wasting much of our time, I would like us to go into the tutorial proper. Stay tuned.
So if this is your first time of coming to the channel, please like the video, please subscribe and also turn on your notifications so that you can get further videos.
So now welcome back to the tutorial. Like I said, in today's tutorial we'll be learning how to purchase a domain name and an hosting plan from evanshost.com. And first we need to go to the website evanshost.com. Let's click on it and let's allow it to load. So in this video, like I said, you'll be learning things on how to purchase the domain name and an hosting plan. And like I've said in my previous video, if you have not seen it, I would like you to go back to it. I talked about my top 5 web hosting platforms there, and Evanshost was actually the number 1. So if you are confused, why am I using Evanshost, you need to watch that video so that you know why I'm using Evanshost in this video. So first thing first, before you purchase your domain name, I always advise first timers that once you get to a site, do you understand, once you get to a site, the first thing you should do you understand, is to register. First register. I always tell you, register first. Don't just start right away. I prefer you registering first before buying your domain name. So you need to have an account with them. So it's either you create an account here or you log in. You understand? You can create your own account, you can log in. So now I'll be taking us straight away. Let me log in to my dashboard so that you will see what I'm trying to say. So we are signed in. And wait for the dashboard to load. So now this is my dashboard, and this is my dashboard. Yeah, let me click on dashboard, but this is dashboard. I just want it to refresh so that you can see everything again. So now this is one, it's showing me my active orders, it's showing me 2 pending orders, maybe that I need to make payment for and stuff like that. So when you are logged in, like I said, you always create your account first. Try to create your account first, then log in. Do you understand? So now this is how the dashboard looks like. You can view everything here. This is a dashboard. This is your account. You can go to your profile and you can add funds, you understand, to your wallet and all like that. You can also see your orders here. Now this is my orders. Let me click on orders. Do you understand? Let me click on orders. So it will show you all the orders on the dashboard, like on the dashboard. I'm going to show you everything. I want you to get conversant with the dashboard. Now this is active and it's Utilising.org, and it's a website I built for someone. This is what we are going to use today. The amount you can see is $12, but it's naira. But once it's on your dashboard, it tell you the exact amount and everything like that. So this is not where we are going. So now we want to make a new order. You see new order, you come to new order here, then it will take you to a new tab, and the link, the URL on the new tab is evanshost.com/bill. Do you understand? That's where you can purchase things from. Now let's see if you want to purchase our domain name and hosting plan. Now if you want to purchase your domain name, this is where you go to. Now you can search your domain name. Do you understand? If you already have an existing domain, and you just want to, or you have an existing domain and you just want to purchase only hosting plan, you come here, you write the existing domain and you click continue to purchase your hosting plan. And if you want to transfer domain, you can also transfer your domain. Once you want to transfer your domain, you go to your previous hosting platform that your domain name is hosted on and tell them to give you the EPP code. So you just enter the domain name here, you put in your EPP code and you press enter. But we are not yet to do all this. We are yet to buy a new domain name. So before you get a new domain name, you need to search if the domain name is available. So I'm going to use webdesignbypromise.com and we'll click continue. Do you understand? I want to use webdesignbypromise.com because I'm teaching a web design class. Do you understand? So we have to see if it's available, and if it's available it will let us know. So now it's available, you can see it. .com is 7,000 per year, .org is 8,000, .club is 4,009, and you can load more extensions. These are extensions: .com, .org, .club, .com, .org, .club. They are extensions, so you can load more extensions, but today I want us to stick with the webdesignbypromise.com. So let's add to cart. We are going to add to cart. Yeah, do you understand? We have added to cart. Okay, now that we've gotten our domain name, we've added our domain name to cart, we can proceed to checkout. But if you want to still get your hosting, do you understand? You go to under shared hosting. Do you understand? You choose the hosting plan you want to have. There are different plans here. Do you understand? There are very different plans here. There's a basic, small scale, startup, and all, and each of them have their own different features. Like you can see that the basic one hosted domain is different from the small scale, which you can host 5 domain names on. So but for the course of this tutorial, I'll be choosing the basics, so you understand. So I'll choose yearly. For yearly, the yearly plan, the yearly fee for the domain name under the basic plan is 7,400. So you add to cart. Do you understand? Let's add to cart. Then we've added those two to cart. You can see that we've added our domain name and our hosting plan to cart. So you proceed to checkout. Now you can see both here, and you can see both of them listed here. Do you understand? Now this is the total price, 14,800 and 2,000 naira. Do you understand? So now you can also click proceed. Now it will take you to the billing tab. Now the reason why I said you should create your account is because of this place. I don't want you to get to this place and you start filling all your details. Like, it's always kind of stressful. That's why it's always good to have your account first created before you buy any domain name from any web hosting site. Now you just have to click. Now you can add new billing if you want to create another account, but this is my account, so I can just click on the promise Canva. Do you understand? And allow it to load. Do you understand? So now you check everything. It's correct, right? It's correct. Always check if it's correct, please. Always check if it's correct, so that you won't do something else. Do you understand? Always check that it's correct. Do you understand? Always check that it's correct. So I'm selecting the billing. This is select billing. Do you understand? So it will move to the next tab for us, which is the configuration tab. And under the configuration tab, you don't need to touch anything here, please. If you are purchasing the domain name and the hosting from the same hosting platform, do you understand? You don't need to touch this place. You don't need to touch it. But if you are purchasing the hosting and the domain name from another website, or maybe you purchased the domain name from another website and you purchase the hosting here, you would have to pick this name server. There's something they call name server, and put it in that hosting plan so that it propagates properly. I am not going to talk about that today, but hopefully I should talk about that in our future videos and we'll get to it. So everything is correct. You continue. So you allow it to load. Now it has taken us to the final page, which is the make payment page, like the payment page. So now this is the payment tab. You can pay through your wallet, your account wallet. That's why, like previously when I showed you guys here, I told you that you can fund your wallet under accounts. Where is it? Billing. You can fund your wallet through this place. You can add funds, do you understand? And you can fund your wallet. So now you can pay through the wallet already created for you when you fund it on evanshost.com. You can use coin payments like that. This is for Bitcoin and all. Same here for Bitcoin and all. It depends on the platform. But since we are in Nigeria and you can use Flutterwave by Nigeria. You can also use PayPal if you have a PayPal account. But I prefer to use let's use Flutterwave because we are in Nigeria and our location is Nigeria. So let's just use Flutterwave. So you click here to pay with Flutterwave. Sorry, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. You understand? Before you click here to pay. So now this is the total amount of everything. You understand? This is the total amount of everything. And I didn't show you. But there are sometimes that there might be promos, so you have to keep up. If there's a promo, there's always a coupon code. Do you understand? So you have to get the coupon. Maybe if they are giving the coupon, might have 20% off, and maybe if you put the coupon code, you understand, you would see a place where out of your total bill 20% off will be taken, so you just pay the rest. So now you need to check everything. This is the company's headquarters address. This is my own address and everything. This is the fee and everything. So you can click here to pay invoice via Flutterwave. So let's make payment of our domain name. So now you have to enter your card details and you pay. Initially we saw 14,000 everything, but now here it's 15,000 naira. And the reason why it's that is because Flutterwave, it's because of their VAT. So Flutterwave put their own, they put the VAT, and that's why it's 15,000 naira. But normally the price is not meant to be like this. I'm just doing it for tutorial purpose. Do you understand? Because an average.com price is between 5 to 6,000. Do you understand? And it varies. It depends on the dollar. Now dollar is expensive. Dollar is around 610. So you should expect that the domain name will be expensive, and that's why the domain name price is actually 7,000 plus. But for the hosting, do you understand? We left it to be the same, which is still okay for the 7,000 plus, and that is it. So the more the dollar rates, the more these things become expensive, and it's not our fault. So now you just enter your card details and you pay for it, and voila, you would see your orders in your order domain. See, this is it. You will see your orders in the order domain. So I'm not paying for it. I'm just showing you the steps on how to purchase your domain name and your hosting plan from evanshost.com. So now that is how I purchased this, and you can see my view orders details. That is how I purchased this, and this is what we use for the tutorial now. If you understand, the website by promise. So this is how I purchased this, and you see it's active, it's yearly. My payment method is Flutterwave. Total package cost was $12 then, and this is it. Everything, basic hosting plan. It was an hosting plan I went for, and it's a shared hosting and all. So this would be my renewal cost, will just be $12. This is the expiry date. Do you understand? It will expire 2023 rather. Do you understand? 2023, and this is when I purchased it. So this is just everything about it, and this is how you can purchase your domain name. I hope you've learned a lot from this channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Cheers.